In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Zoho projects the easy way. We will start by setting up a project, and then we will create a task inside that project. As you follow along, take your time with the details, because the way you set up a project determines how organized and easy to manage it will be later. First, look at the left sidebar and click the Projects tab. This is where all of your project work lives. In the upper right area of the Projects section, select New Project. This opens the project setup screen where you define the basics. Enter your project title. Choose a name that makes the project easy to recognize at a glance, especially if you will be managing several projects at once. Next, set your start date and end date. These dates help Zoho projects place your work on timelines and reports, and they give your team a clear window for the project schedule. After that, select a project layout. The layout controls the structure you start with, such as how tasks and sections may be organized. Choose the layout that best matches the type of work you are planning to manage. Now set your project privacy. If you choose private, only invited members can access the project, which is useful for internal work or limited teams. If you choose public, all portal users can view and access the project, which is helpful when visibility across the organization is important. Once these details are in place, your project is ready to use. Next, you will create a task. Go back to the left sidebar, click Projects again, and select the project you just created. Once you are inside the project, use the top navigation bar and click the Tasks tab. This is the main area where you will add and track the work that needs to be done. In the top right, click the Add Task button. Type a clear task name. Use wording that describes the outcome, so anyone reading it understands what done looks like. Then click the Start and Due Date field to set the time frame and deadline. Setting dates right away is a simple habit that keeps schedules realistic and makes it easier to prioritize work. At this point, your project is set up and your first task is created. That covers everything you need to know.